Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah's Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam reciting Surah in prayers. It is narrated by Amr bin Huraith. The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam would recite Surah Takbir in the Fajr prayer. Abu Dawud 817. It is narrated by Jabbar ibn Samra. The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam would recite Surah Kaf in the Fajar prayer. Al-Tabrani Al-Kabir 1896-1905. It is narrated by Abu Ayyub. The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam would recite Suratul Mulk in the Fajr prayer. Ibn Hibban 1819. It is narrated by Jabir ibn Samra. The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam would recite Surah Yasin and Suratul Waqia in the Fajr prayers. Ibn Hibban 1823. It is narrated by Abdullah ibn al-Sab that the Allah's Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam led us in the Fajr prayer at Makkah. He Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam recited Suratul Mu'minun. Abu Dawud 649. It is narrated by Aqza al-Muzni. The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam recited Suratul Rum in the Fajr prayer. Sublul Huda. It is narrated by Abu Huraira. The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam used to recite Suratul Fatah and Suratul Haqqa in the Fajr prayer. Ibn Hibban 1817. It is narrated by Muad ibn Abdullah al-Juhani. A man of Juhayna told him that he heard the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam reciting Surah Zilzal in Fajr prayer in both rakat. Abu Dawud 816. It is narrated by Ibn Umar. I watched the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam for a month, and in 2 rakat before Fajr, he Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam used to recite Suratul Kafirun and Suratul Ikhlas. Majah 1149. The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam recited Surah Al-Falaq and Surah Nas in the Fajr prayer. Hakam Mustadrik 810. It is narrated by Abu Huraira that for the Fajr prayer on Fridays, Allah's Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam used to recite Surah Sajda and Suratul Ghashiyah. Majah 823 and Nisai 968, Hakam Mustadrik 915, Tabrani 6693. The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam recited Surah Deen and Suratul Qadr in the Fajr prayer. Sublul Huda. It is narrated from Abu Huraira that the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam slept and missed the 2 voluntary rakat before Fajr. So he Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam made them up after the sun had risen. Majah 1155. It is narrated by Mother of Believers Hadith Aisha that the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam used to make 2 voluntary rakat before the Fajr prayer so short that I would wonder whether he recited Surah Al-Fatiha or not. Abu Dawud 1255. It is narrated by Mother of Believers Hadith Aisha. The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam used to lie down on his right side after establishing 2 voluntary rakat of Fajr prayer. Muslim 1718.